Hey, this is the WEN 2-inch 18-gauge brad nailer, model 61721. I'm going to tell you guys, this is beefy, but yet lightweight. It's going to be good for you. It holds the 18-gauge brad nails. It's not going to split your wood if you're working on picture frames or anything small like that. Use this a lot in woodworking. I love it. I love the way it operates. It's got the container here for the nails. You can see through it. You got your nails in, and it lets you know how much you got left. Coupler safety feature here. And this is also your depth. This is easy to turn. This is a lot easier. Some of the other ones that are back here behind the trigger, kind of hard to reach and kind of hard to turn. This one's really easy. I love the way it operates here. So give it a check out on Amazon. Thanks. See you on the next one.
All right, 23 bucks. 2 inches. Load that dude in. And scrap piece of wood here. And sunk the nails in nice and flush there. 2 inch. We'll give it a couple of rapid hits here. Of course, if you hold it against there, you're gonna get a nice and flush one, but doing this, don't get enough, not get enough, reinforcement there to support the recoil of the gun. Not bad, 23 bucks.
Mira, este es el otro. A ver cómo jala. Pues jala bien, mira. De 2 pulgadas los clavones. Y viene para todas las medidas, hasta de 2 pulgadas pues nada más. Pero sí jala chido.